If you're still making YouTube videos the old-fashioned way, you're wasting hours of your time. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 AI tools that I personally use to automate my faceless YouTube channels in 2025. This is going to save you so much time and energy, allowing you to scale your YouTube channel faster than ever before. Let's get into it. The first tool that I use on my faceless YouTube channels is ChatGPT. If you've been on YouTube for any amount of time, then you probably know that ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools out there. There's literally endless things that you can do with it. When it comes to growing your YouTube channel, it can help you come up with video ideas based on what's currently trending. You can ask it to write you full scripts for your videos. You can have it write you titles, descriptions, and even YouTube Shorts hooks based off of the video topic or the current video that you're reworking on. And you can do this all within seconds. For example, if I type in "write me 5 video titles about how to grow on TikTok in 2025, it will spit me out 5 different title options in less than a second. All I have to do now is click on one of these titles and boom. I've got a title that will probably get me more views than if I had tried to think of it on my own. It also helps me make decisions on things like what days of the week I should be posting, or even what my channel banner should look like. To be honest, there's nothing that ChatGPT can't help you with when it comes to your YouTube channel. The next tool that I use is CapCut AI. Now, I've actually made an entire video about this tool already, but it truly is one of the best AI tools that you can use in 2025 to automate your YouTube videos. It saves me so much time when it comes to editing my videos and adding captions to my videos. With this tool, I'm able to instantly edit my videos and add captions to them just by using AI, for example. Let's say I want to upload a video about the best AI tools for YouTube. All I have to do is click on this button right here, where it says Start from Blank. I then simply upload my audio file, and it will automatically transcribe my entire video. I can then choose which language my voiceover is in and choose English. After that, I can change the text if I need to, and then I can preview the captions. Once I'm happy with them, I can download the SRT file and upload it to my video. This process literally takes me less than 30 seconds, and it saves me so much time when it comes to uploading videos on a consistent basis. CapCut also has other AI tools such as B-roll, which allows you to add B-roll to your videos instantly with just the click of a button. They also have an AI green screen tool, AI portrait tool, and so much more. So be sure to check out CapCut AI if you haven't already. The third tool that I use is Canva AI. If you haven't heard of Canva before, where have you been? But seriously, Canva is another tool that you can use to speed up your YouTube videos. You can literally create entire thumbnails for your YouTube videos in minutes using their AI tools. All you have to do is click on the Create a Design button and type in YouTube video. From here, you can choose from one of these templates and customize it using Canva's AI tools. For example, if I want to create a thumbnail about how to grow on TikTok in 2025, I can simply type that in, and it will create a thumbnail for me in less than 30 seconds. All I have to do now is click on this little pencil icon and change the words on the thumbnail, and I'm done. Again. This process literally takes me less than 5 minutes, and it creates high-quality thumbnails that help my videos get more views. The final tool that I use to automate my YouTube videos is called Pictory. Now, Pictory is a text-to-video generator that I use to create extra content for my YouTube channel. When it comes to creating long-form YouTube videos, you really don't need text-to-video because it takes up too much time, and it's not worth it. However, if you're creating shorter YouTube videos like Shorts, then text-to-video can be extremely helpful. With Pictory, I'm able to turn my scripts into videos in just a few seconds. For example, let's say I want to create a short about the best AI tools for YouTube. All I have to do is copy the script that ChatGPT wrote me and paste it into Pictory. Then I can select the duration for my video, and Pictory will instantly turn my script into a video that I can upload to my YouTube channel. And there you have it. Those are the 4 AI tools that I use to automate my faceless YouTube channels. If you want my exact ChatGPT prompts for viral YouTube videos, then be sure to download my cheat sheet. It's completely free. Simply click the link in the description to get access. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.